Hi, I'm Dean Taylor with Dejero. I'm a former patrol sergeant from San Diego County. Welcome to Dejero Tech Labs, where we connect the dots between the how and the why. Today, I'm going to show you how to do a quick gateway installation in any kind of vehicle. Let's go. In this vehicle, we have the Dejero GateWay 211. It's seamlessly blending 3 networks together at once. No other competitor can do that. Most solutions offer you only one. Imagine having your body-worn camera, your in-car camera system, your mobile data terminal, or anything else that demands good connectivity in your vehicle running, humming along all the time. The Gateway 211 is connected to FirstNet, Verizon Priority, and T-Mobile, but you can also blend any other WAN source, such as low Earth satellite or Starlink terminals. It uses all of these networks at the same time to give you a faster and more reliable wireless connection. On the Gateway 211, you're going to need to address 3 quick things to get going. The first is going to be your power. The second is going to be your cellular antennas. And third is going to be your Wi-Fi antennas. Since the 211 has 3 SIMs, there are typically 6 antennas that you connect. Some of the antennas have multiple connections. Others have single connections. It depends on the type of antenna you utilize. Let's get started by connecting the power. You're going to find a 12-volt DC power in the vehicle, and you're going to utilize our supplied Phoenix connector to have the positive and the negative connected to the vehicle. Snap the Phoenix connector in, and you can secure the connection with 2 screws to prevent it from coming out during driving. The next thing we're going to want to address is the antenna connections. We use our antennas, and for demonstration purposes, I'm only going to do 2, but you're going to want to have all 6. When you're connecting these, make sure that you use the supplied SMA tool to actually get these down to just more than finger tight to avoid vibration. You're going to do this for all 6 antennas. Lastly, if you're using the optional Wi-Fi, go ahead and connect your Wi-Fi antennas here. We start with Wi-Fi channel 1, 2, and 3. And if you're using the second channel, you use antennas 4, 5, and 6. After you're done in the back, it's pretty easy. Just press the power button. You're going to see a green light here. When that green light means that you've got connectivity already started. On our device, you're going to see a WAN port, which allows you to bring in additional sources like Starlink or other low Earth orbit satellite or whatever the connectivity solutions you have. You can also convert these 2 LAN ports here to additional WAN ports. So if you have more than one external WAN source, such as another Starlink or some other low Earth orbit, who knows, maybe even it's a puck or an Ethernet cable from a location that you're at. These can be blended, and all of them are now blended into one seamless connection. The other features on the front here are the additional LAN ports, which are going to be things for your computer plugs in or other devices in the vehicle. And then we also have USB, which can provide power to some external devices and utilize some other functionality of the USB. Imagine having fast, reliable connectivity everywhere you go. In the field, I can tell you it's more important than it ever has been. Dejero products deliver that reliably every time. Thanks for watching Dejero Tech Labs. See you next time.